Welcome once again to Whitech. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can help students online by helping them with their homework, helping them doing their quizzes, to helping them prepare for their exams online through this website I'm going to show you, and through that you'll be getting more money from this platform. Yes, it really works. So the platform, I did a video on how you can sell your document from this platform and you'll be able to make more money. So you can check that video and you see how this platform works. The platform is studypool.com. Okay, studypool.com. So in my previous video I indicated that there are two ways by which you can make money: by selling document or by becoming a tutor. Also on this platform, people come here to find notes to read to solve their problems, okay, educational problems. So they come here to find document to read. Okay, so you can be a student and you can be a tutor. So I did a video on how you can sell your documents here for students to view, and through that you'll be able to earn $10. So today's video is going to be on how to become a tutor. So you click on become a tutor from this platform. Okay, so you just click on that. So you just click here and you see become a tutor. With a Studypool tutor account, you can filtrate between student and tutor mode and enjoy benefit of tutoring Studypool, such as, okay, so these are things that you are going to do as a tutor from this platform. Lowest service fee, yes, starting at 20%. Okay, Studypool charges the lowest service fee in market. We like to give our tutors what they earn. So whatever you are going to earn from this platform, Studypool will charge you 20% of your earnings. So reliable income, making good money using nothing more than your knowledge and your keyboard. So full freedom and flexibility. Choose when you to work and where to work and where you want to work from. Okay, so these are things that you should expect. Okay, apply for a tutor account. So you just hit on apply now. So just click here to apply. So when it comes like they say tutor application, Studypool vet all tutors to ensure they are qualified to work on the platform. So you will be vet before you will be given the opportunity to work here as a tutor. Okay, so you just start your application, but you can also come here carrying student questions to check. As you can see, look at some of the questions the students are asking. These students are asking these questions and they need the tutors to answer these questions. They are paying, someone is paying $20. Okay, $20. Okay, so as you can see, these are some of the things on this platform. Even $40 for answering these questions, and you'll be able to get your money. So you just come here to hit on start application, then you click on start application. Okay, there you know that you are going to be vetted before you will be accepted. So before you begin, you are applying to question and answer tutor at Studypool. Okay, so this is what you are going to do. If matched to question, you are expected to provide the student with a complete explanation and answer to the question. So this is what you are going to do. So you just provide your document, and when it is being accepted, when a student poses a question, you just answer the question and you get your money. This process will happen exclusively over chat, message, and all communication will happen solely on the Studypool. So all conversation between you and your students will be happening on this platform. So you hit on acknowledge to proceed your application. Okay, so this is this part here. So background bio, you just need to fill all these particulars here. Okay, first name, country, address, everything. You need to provide legitimate information about yourself, educational background, okay, academic experience that you have in the topic that you are going to do, and then academic experience, you just enter work experience, you just enter all these things here, then you add more. After that, you save and continue. So here you have to provide your background information. Okay, so by background information, which subject do you interested in tutoring in at least one required. So we have business, engineering. Okay, so we have computer science, law, science, economics, mathematics, and then writing. So we just choose the subject that you want to help people with. So let's say maybe you just pick any of these subjects. Let's say mathematics, and then you go on. You say that preferred rate. Let user view your profile, know your preferred rate. You can change this later at any time. So the rate that you are going to charge students when they contact you. Okay, so I'll just maintain it at $10, and then you click on save to continue. Move on to the next one, skills assessment. So start question. So writing skills assessment. So this is what you are going to do. You just need to complete all these steps. What would you like to write about? Choose the subject believed to be your area of strength. So here you just choose the subject believed to be your area of strength, and then you just write a skill assessment about it. So when you choose the subject, you scroll down, then you see the requirement, everything that you need to. You don't have to use any plagiarism. You just have to make sure that you write it well. Then after that, you upload the document here, and then you send. And when everything is approved, you can teach students here, and you'll be earning a lot of money from this platform.